Can cast iron skillet be used on induction cooktop? And the quick answer to this question is yes, it definitely can. You do want to make sure that you buy high quality cast iron skillets and pans and pots and Dutch ovens that don't have any plastic, rubber or wooden handles, because they are going to conduct the heat from the induction cooktop all throughout the whole actual pot itself, or the skillet itself. And if you have plastic, rubber or wooden handles, they are very likely to get damaged in the process. Now, induction cooktops happens to work really well with cast iron skillets because they because of the magnetic energy that the induction cooktop uses, obviously goes very well with the cast iron material, and they can definitely be used in that way. But just make sure that you buy high quality cast iron pots and pans and skillets, okay? The one I have right in front of you here is a Lodge Dutch oven in cast iron, and it's one of the better brands that you can buy that is still very, very affordable, made in America. They are pre-seasoned when you buy them, which is also really important. And you can check out the links in the description below if you're looking to buy yourself a cast iron skillet or a Dutch oven to find out the current pricing for these, the brand that is Lodge, and they are extremely good and very affordable. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.